Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to celebrate the launch of a new Vodafone service, Vodafone Doha Bank, in conjunction with the Central Bank service. It's called the Vodafone Money Transfer. Now this is a world first. Other countries have implemented, but not the way we have implemented, where we're partnered with Doha Bank. We've had the Central Bank very close to what we're doing, and we promise that there'll be no risk, and we will enter the market in the right way. Vodafone Money Transfer has been designed to do three things. Firstly, to be able to pay locally within Qatar from mobile phone to mobile phone. Secondly, to act as a bank account for the unbanked population. And thirdly, to be able to transmit money offshore to friends and family in other countries. It's this third service that we're launching today. And it's actually a world first, because what we're doing is enabling our customers on the Vodafone Money Transfer system to send money to customers on Globe Telecom's money service system in the Philippines. It's the first telco to telco. We will quickly expand that to other countries and to enable transmission of funds to exchange houses and banks once we've got this one up and running smoothly. Vodafone Money Transfer first started in 2007 in Kenya. Today they put 1 million transactions through that platform a day. It's the equivalent of 20% of GDP goes through the Vodafone Kenya money transfer system. It's obviously a different country, as most of that population is unbanked. It's created something like 30,000 jobs in Kenya, most of them cash in and cash out agents. Since the success of Kenya, we've implemented Tanzania, Fiji, Afghanistan, and last month, South Africa, last week, Egypt, Vodafone Egypt, and today, Vodafone Qatar. Of course, none of this would be possible without His Highness the Emir's vision of the state of Qatar to be an innovative and a technology-led country. And specifically, we'd like to thank His Excellency Sheikh Abdullah bin Saud Al Thani, the Governor of the Central Bank, and all his team for helping us put this product together in a robust and financially strong with excellent governance. Thank you very much. And to our banking partner, Doha Bank, Mr. Sitharaman and your team, thank you so much. This is our product together, and it will make this a success. Nakud for helping us to set up the distribution, cash in and cash outlets, to our technology partners, Fundamo and Gemalto. And finally, our partner, the first partner for international transmission, is with Globe Telecom in the Philippines. I'd like now to put on a CD, a video, which will explain the service.
Welcome to Vodafone Money Transfer, the amazing new way to send money around Qatar and the world, instantly from your mobile phone. Simply load money onto your VMT account at one of our authorized cash outlets, selected ATMs, or by bank transfer. The value never expires and you can take it out at any time you like. Using your mobile, you can also transfer at any time, from anywhere, to anyone. Millions of people are already enjoying the benefits of this service in places like Kenya, Tanzania, and South Africa. And now VMT is set to change the way people move money in Qatar. The great thing about Vodafone Money Transfer is that it's secure, very fast, and simple to use. No matter whether you're sending money to family on the other side of the world or to someone right here in Qatar. You can also use it to pay at selected local retailers and agents, to buy Vodafone airtime, or pay your bills. So visit a Vodafone store or VMT sign-up outlet and ask how you can get started with Vodafone Money Transfer. It'll change the way you take care of your money.
Thanks. Okay, I'd now like to ask Markus Bikker, who's our Senior Product Manager for Vodafone Money Transfer, to the stage. Markus.
Yeah, thanks a lot, John, for the great introduction. And yeah, welcome everybody, Your Excellency, and the whole audience to this Vodafone Money Transfer presentation. I guess you get already a glimpse of what Vodafone Money Transfer is all about after the nice introduction video. However, I think the best way to introduce you to Vodafone Money Transfer is to do a live demonstration of this service. What you're about to see is how we are putting money onto a Vodafone Money account and then remit this money live from a Vodafone Qatar mobile phone to a Globe phone in the Philippines. The recipient of this money in the Philippines can then either use this money to pay local bills, buy Globe airtime, or even cash out the money at over 18,000 cash outlets across the Philippines. To help me with this live presentation, I welcome first Your Excellency Crescente Relacion, Ambassador of the Philippines.
Yes, thank you.
As well as the TV celebrity Bianca Gonzalez, who will join us shortly on the plasma screens here in the room, live from Manila in the Philippines. As soon as she's there, we can wave her a friendly hello and yeah, welcome her as well. Before we start the live presentation, I would like to introduce you to the ambassador.
Yes. Well, His Excellency Sheikh Abdullah bin Saud Al Thani, Mr. Templeson, Mr. Setaraman, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am delighted to be part of this new revolutionary service by Vodafone. Currently, there are about more than 200,000 Filipinos living and working in Qatar. And they're remitting in excess of $185 million. Vodafone Money Transfer Service is surely to change the lives of thousands of Filipinos in the state of Qatar with its cheaper, safe, simple, quick, and convenient way of remitting money to the Philippines. We at the Philippine Embassy is fully supportive of Vodafone and this laudable initiative that will redound to the benefits of the Filipino people. So I would like to thank His Excellency for his wholehearted support by being present this morning. I thank the government of Qatar for creating an environment whereby this innovation can take place. And Vodafone, thank you for making this global innovation possible. Thank you.
Great, thanks a lot. And yeah, I may welcome Bianca in the Philippines. Hello? I need to talk to this. Hello, Bianca, can you hear us? Can Bianca hear us?
Hello,
Okay, yes, hello.
Hesham. Hesham, is
Yes,
that
Hesham
you?
is here as well. This is Markus speaking. You are already live on stage. Welcome to Doha from Manila. So now that we have both parties here, so the sending phone from the ambassador and Bianca in Manila, I would say let's get it started. So ambassador, do you have your Vodafone Money Transfer phone with you?
Yes, I have it.
That's great. What we're doing now is we're putting this phone into the computer to enable all of you to see what is happening on the small screen so that you can follow the transaction that's happening. Okay. So what you're now seeing is the live screen of the ambassador's phone. To start the remittance of money, we need to have money on your Vodafone Money account. Ambassador, did you already load money onto your account?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. That's great. Luckily, we are having Irfan Ali, head of VMT distribution here.
Okay.
Warm welcome.
Thank you.
But more importantly than being head of VMT distribution, Irfan is today our VMT cash agent and will help the ambassador to put money on the Vodafone Money account.
I will. Thank you, Markus. Mr. Ambassador, how much would you like to load today onto your VMT account?
2,000 Qatari riyals.
No problem. I shall put that in my pocket. Okay, so I'm just going to enter this transaction into my mobile phone. And with the click of a few buttons, we will send this to your Vodafone Money account.
So what you're seeing right now for the money load process, the ambassador needs to give his phone number and the user key to Irfan, which already happened. We should then see on the screen on the phone of the ambassador, as soon as the transaction is complete, a notification in form of an SMS informing the customer, in this case the ambassador, that some money has been loaded onto the Vodafone Money account.
Okay, it's just processing the transaction now. And that sounds
now
like it's it.
exactly. Now you already, perhaps you've heard the sound, at least you can and you can see that the ambassador has received a text message. Would you like to open the text message? Then we can see what has happened. Okay, so we received a text message, and the text message is saying that our Vodafone, okay, here we are. Our account has been loaded with 2,000 Qatar Riyal.
Wow.
Our new balance is 2,079 Qatar Riyal, and we're now using the Vodafone Money Transfer application to remit 2,000 Qatar Riyal to Bianca in the Philippines. And yeah, let's start this. Okay, going back. Okay. Now, now the ambassador is opening the SIM menu where the Vodafone Money Transfer application is in. We're selecting Money Transfer. Now we see all of the options that we can do with Vodafone Money, and we're selecting the first option, Send Money. Now we need to decide, where do we want to send money? Well, do we want to send money locally to any other Vodafone VMT enabled phone, or do we want to send it international? We're selecting international, and now we're seeing a list of countries where we can choose from, and we want to send money to the Philippines. For the Philippines, we have currently 3 separate methods how a customer can send money. The first one is a GCash mobile, which means any GCash enabled phone from Globe Telecom. The advantage of this is the customer is receiving the money directly on his or her phone and can immediately use the money for everything. The second option is the traditional way, send the money to a bank account in the Philippines. And the third option is GCash Remit, which enables each and every phone customer in the Philippines, whether Globe Telecom customer or not, to receive basically a token, and he can pick up the money at any of the 18,000 cash outlets within the Philippines. Bianca is Globe customer and has a GCash account, so we're sending it directly to her mobile phone in the Philippines.